Hello guys, can you hear me? Just to make sure. Yes, that's amazing. Perfect. Good morning guys. How's your morning? How was your Monday? Trump gonna speak today. I didn't see any. I'm gonna check right now. I didn't see any important news. I see we have some speakers today, which low impact news. I don't see any like Trump speak. No, nothing scheduled. I guess at least in Forex Factory, I see nothing. Well, seems like not. Nothing. Nothing today. Nothing tomorrow. You know, when it was Sunday or Saturday, I was checking Forex Factory. I was like, is it bank holiday? Because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, simply no news. Even like we don't have any orange folder news. I was like, that's going to be interesting. So yesterday I got trade. It was PM session trade because yesterday I was waiting for previous week high taken. IM was kind of choppy in my opinion, so I didn't want to like take unnecessary losses because simply I understood we have target higher. I mean, I could long, but I did not even open my trading platform yesterday, so I decided to take a break, like day off, IM session off, and try to trade silver bullet for PM session. Got perfect trade. Maybe not like lots of points, but still. I was able to get a move. Let me show you. Actually shared executions, but where it was. Where's PM session? I got short right from here. Because I wasn't at home. I want to short 2-minute order block. I wasn't at home at this time. So I got in right here. It was extremely small risk. Like, no complaints about this trade. Oh, you got it. It was like this. That's all I tried. Not going to lie, I was surprised to see like I was immediately in profit, so maybe I wasn't draw down like a couple of points, 1-2 points. I was like, Dasha, today is your day. Idea was 2-minute model, by the way. I don't. You just need to get long. I noticed when we don't have like, I don't know the name for this model. Like, let's call this 2-minute model because I don't know like perfect name for this. IM session, actually I can say it failed to offer idea to this for the entry. Even if it offered 2-minute order block, it failed simply because draw was higher. And normally if the name failed, 1 p.m. will offer. Why 1 p.m.? I have no idea. Just like for some reason 1 p.m. And it offered a 2-minute order block once we took previous week high level. Exactly same short. I anticipated to get during AM session. Just unnecessary chop. Okay, I was like, charts closed. Not going to waste my time on this. So, set alert and one way. Yes, I did use the models at a backtest. Once again, if 10 a.m. failed, most of the time 1 p.m. will offer. By the way, 3 p.m. Offered, and yesterday 8 p.m. offered as well. So now I need to backtest how it works with. Where's my notes? Now I need to backtest how it works with 1 p.m., 3 p.m., and 8 p.m. If 10 p.m. failed. Okay, based on my observations, we got confirmed, backtested 10 a.m. setup, 1 p.m. setup. Never backtested 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. What's interesting? What we have like? It's like 3 hours difference, right? 1 p.m. setup. 8 no 3 p.m. setup and 8 p.m. setup. I forward tested 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. I did not backtest this, but I did backtest 1 p.m. and 10 p.m. which worked. So right now my interest in we have equal lows low, which is London low, as well as we have equal highs high, which is pre-market high. So pretty much, where is my demonstration tool? Pretty much consolidation so far, right? On both, yes, thank you. This night, absolutely nothing happened. So we have accumulation. Let's see if we get manipulation with distribution. So once again, you see my eye icons at the hourly fair value gap right below London low, right here. So I will keep my eyes on these levels. Also, let me delete this first and the deviation, don't need this anymore. We have, yesterday I anticipate to get retracement down to first presented fair value gap. Never happened. The question is if we get this move, potential manipulation down to go up and break above pre-market high. So it seems like we're trying to build power of 3. Really would like to see break below equal lows to offer manipulation. What time is this? Oh, market is already open. Why nothing changed? Like, why it's still slow? So London low, maybe hourly fair value gap, and somewhere from here, I will start looking for opportunity. Yeah, London low should be good because it's also equal lows, as you can see. So let's see how it goes. Just, I don't really want to see, where is my margin tool? I really don't want to see like we have room like this to first presented fair value gap from yesterday, because that's too much to ask, probably. But I'm looking for the retracement down, break below accumulation low, and look for opportunities somewhere from here. Yeah, from this range, between first presented from yesterday and hourly fair value gap. Honestly, have no idea how big range is going to be. That's why I'm going to wait for smart money reversal on 5-minute chart. So probably we'll wait for 5-minute order block. Lunch. Daily fair value gap. You mean this one? Right there? Oh, January. Okay, let me see. Where is this? Oh, you mean it? Oh, okay, I got it. Interesting observation. Oh, that's actually interesting observation. Where is... Right there. You mean like support? Okay. Feels like coincidence, right? More like coincidence. Kind of, I would say tricky. Let's see if my take London low, guys. Oh, it's going there. Okay. We just run London low on NQ. We still have exactly same equal lows on ES. Yes, yes, yes. So some sort of SMT. Still kind of tricky, this London low on yes, because equal lows. But I do like how we trying to just pick this level. Oh yeah, I started working on video. Yeah, of course I can do this fast, but probably I will forget to put important details. And just want give me like this week to finish this. I already started. Just would like to make this easy to understand. Uh, Maybe good presentation, lots of examples. So give me time, please. I started yesterday. We'll finish this week, I promise. I promise. Well, that's early chart so far. Guys, by the way, if you just scroll up in the chat, I shared some indicators. You can actually love them. Probably you will love them. So that's indicators for SMT, for high time frame candles on my right side of screen, and also added these indicators. This indicator exactly same hourly candles, but inside lower time frame candles. So open, manipulation, currently trying to draw down close candle, and we have potential like weak right here from current price right here to low. So every single indicator shared, just scroll up if you're interested in this. Oh, just scroll up. First 3 messages. It's not lots of messages yet. Just scroll up in the chat. So you will get giveaway accounts. So I sent all information already. Just I don't know how much time it's going to take. I already sent this. So I hope it's going to be on your profile soon. Oh, no. If you just started trading ICT, don't start with NQ. Start CL, start ES, start every single market, but not NQ. Just trust me. You don't need this. Personally, I started with ES when it was extremely slow, and that's good for you if you just started. ES, CL, good start. Just trust me. I'm just addicted, and I don't know how to stop looking at this NQ chart. I'm literally addicted. I was trying to quit. But how to do this? I need help. I need professional help, guys. Yeah, like toxic relationship. Give me 1 second. Why do you trade in Q? I don't have answer for this question. It's like, if not enough stress in your life, trade in Q. Exactly right. What indicator? Just scroll up in the chat. First 3 messages. It's not lots of messages yet, so you'll find this. Scroll up, first 3 messages, 3 links for indicators. So, yeah. Pre-market high on both yes and Q seems like equal highs. So yes, kind of stuck between equal lows and equal highs. By the way, when I started with ES, I traded ES for 2.5 years, I guess. I did not have any issues with this. I mean, right now it seems slow, but when I traded only ES, it was like, it's okay. Nothing wrong with this. But I remember maybe like when it was. 2023, June 2023, or 2024. No, 2023. It was June, and ES started like barcoding a lot. I was like, what is going on? Let me try in Q. I started trading in Q, and I was like, why it's so fast? I mean, how is it impossible? Yeah, I remember I had lots of stop loss, stops in this on my setups because it was extremely fast. I was like, where I need to put my stop loss, what contract size I need to trade. It was hard. But if you just starting, and ES is way to go. Maybe CL, maybe gold. No gold. Yeah, gold like 50-50. NQ, CL, YM, YM, and lose money too. Yeah. I tried to trade YM maybe like once or two times. Like cannot like trade YM actually. Okay, we still have room to go lower on ES. Can you name indicators? Can you give me what indicator are you looking for? So pretty much consolidation right now. Nothing really is going on. But overall picture seems like accumulation. With break below accumulation to enter London low so far on NQ. And ES still inside accumulation. CFD, yeah, absolutely nothing wrong with this. Just time. Okay. That's a great idea, by the way. Chappy. Okay, that's 1 minute chart. Cannot say what I want to do with first presented fair value gap, honestly. Because we already inverted, then we got reclaimed. Right now, I don't know, just so chappy so far. But anyway, when I am seeking destroy or simply like hard consolidation, PM is amazing. So choose one music for life. Guys, what do you think about gold, by the way? I would like to see your opinion about gold. Because I was analyzing gold this morning, and from what I see so far, I don't really mind to see slightly higher on gold. So looking at weekly chart right now, so we're trying to respect. We close inside weekly fair value gap, as you can see. It created order block right here. So I was looking if we made it trace to 25% of order block or 50% of order block. So we got liquidity sweep, price offered market structure shift. I'm looking if we may go to this orange box. So on gold, just I'm more bullish on gold, and I'm not saying like it should happen today, but I don't mind to see like 40-50 points higher on gold. What do you think about this, guys? That's my analysis from this morning, so I didn't really mind to see. I mean, I'm not talking about like straight move up. I mean, straight move up right here, but maybe. Oh, London low taken, amazing. Right now we entered key level, key zone. So about to get potential for a sweep for 10 a.m. continuation or a reversal. Oh, we did not miss anything, guys. Just trust me. You know, first present fair value gap, it doesn't look bad, so I'm not going to say you're crazy. So I'm looking for the reversal retracement from this range. gold will go higher in Asia. Totally possible. So I don't know how much time it's going to take to go there. Yeah, gold may actually trace first, which I don't really mind. So I'm going to delete my eye icons. So we inside right now are the fair value gap, pretty much small fair value gap, highlighted right here. But ES still has room to go slightly lower. What we have on for a chart? Let me check real quick. Oh, we have our fair value gap, by the way. So let me highlight it. Then did not see this. We have our fair value gap lower. We have hourly fair value gap. So yeah, probably I would like to see slightly lower on both ES and Q. We're about to get for sweep, by the way. And we're about to get order block right there. It's not order block yet, so we will see how it's going to close. Anticipate continuation. Reversal. We will see so. So equal lows taken on both ES and Q. 5-minute chart. We also got order block, but order block, as you can see, offered right there with huge displacement. So huge down close candle with no retracements. And once again, we have fair value gap lower, which is going to be potential target for this move down. And I like how bottom almost actually close to first presented fair value gap from yesterday. Not going to lie, yesterday I anticipate to get moved down to first presented. I don't know why it took so much time, honestly. My voice is too low, guys. You cannot hear me. Oh, fine. Okay. Because I did not change any settings. That's why I'm asking. So we created equal highs. But also at this point it offered SMT, right? So we just entered hourly fair value gap. I would say we still inside hourly fair value gap on NQ. It's good, yeah. I guess so. And we have our fair value gap slightly lower. By the way, let me win discount, right? Oh, not really. Actually, not really. From this swing low to the swing high to the equal highs. Going to draw OT. Oh, we did not even touch 50%, so maybe just a bit high, lower to enter for our fair value gap, and maybe even higher. I'm not talking about pre-market high. The test of New York midnight open is all I ask. So far, trying to respect hourly fair value gap. I mean, that's fine. Let's see if we get any signs of smart money reversal. By the way, interesting, just realized, like, if I want, what time it was? 9. We got open, price traded above 10 a.m. open, over 2-minute order block and short. Just interesting, right? Like 2-minute model. Actually, let's try to backtest for entire day. Yeah, I will do this for 3 months. One hour. PO3. 3 months data. We'll collect this weekend. Okay, yeah, looks like we already got retracement to New York midnight open from hourly fair value gap, waiting for any signs of smart money reversal at least. We just got 2-minute order block, at least something. We have equal highs, higher. You know, sometimes you need to realize, not sometimes, just guys realize that you need to adapt to market conditions. Adjust yourself to these market conditions. Market is not going to adapt for you or adjust for you. You need to adjust for these conditions. And at this point, you need to find something that will work in these conditions. We just don't need to blame the market that it looks like, you know, how it looks. Just adjust yourself to this. Maybe start scalp just for 2 hours. I don't know, like do something. Just if you cannot adjust, okay, probably you need to stay away from current market. I mean, from current price action. Just backtest to see what you can improve, what you can create, maybe. So yeah, but don't blame on Twitter like how bad this market is, because market is not bad. We simply cannot adjust ourselves for this. She's saying to check yourself. I didn't mean this. So we still have equal highs, slightly higher. We got BPR, this 2-minute order block. Just guys understand that sometimes you're going to be wrong, and it's not because of market seek and destroy or consolidation, simply because we don't know how to trade inside this. And right now, ICT haters is going to say that's because of ICT. ICT did not teach you how to trade consolidation. Nope, it's not because of ICT. I mean, you should have. Okay, fair enough. Well, guys. Okay. We marked your words. So we got BPR, pressures the trades to this BPR. Why not trade consolidation? I'm not saying like avoid trading consolidation. Yes, struggling to take equal highs so far. So we traced it, not really yet. We're about to trace the BPR on ES, and let's see how we can respect levels right there. So nothing significant happened yet. Worst conditions consolidation, but why? Some people only trade consolidation, sell and buy lows and highs, right? Yeah, let's see. Depends. So if it's not just going to be once again consolidation for silver bullet, probably 11 will offer expansion. Yeah, scalper mode. Like 2R. So yes, it's about, once again, only concern right now in Q with flower fair value gap lower. That's it. I don't really mind to see lower. Why? Not only because of fair value, because we have discounts there. So as you can see, 50% of this entire move up right inside flower fair value gap, which makes me feel like we need to go slightly lower first. I mean, I can be wrong. Yeah, you can use volume to trade consolidation. Oh, gold just going to my target. I mean, that's fine. So I don't mind to see like 38, 80, maybe even 90. So this range right here. So we chase to BPR. Yeah, 20 seconds left until 10. We don't have any important news. It's okay. Gold is fine for you. Just hard to long when market already like bullish. I mean, when gold is already bullish without retracements. So anyway, you were bullish as well. So yeah, we didn't have news yesterday. We are not going to have news today and tomorrow, but Thursday will offer something. I hope so. So right now we inside 1 minute BPR, 2 minute BPR, not 1 minute. It's 10 a.m. guys. Let's wait for silver bullet. Let's see if we get a retracement higher today, back to daily open. The question is when it's going to happen. Yeah, we are going to forward test today. I'm going to forward test today. I got a wall for this. So I decided to forward test the model because I already tested for 1 year, back tested. I got evaluation to forward test this with you guys for 1 month to collect data for. You know, sometimes when you forward test, it feels completely different, right? For some magical reason. Why? Not magical reason. Why? This happens because it's slower, right? So you need to wait longer. And that's why I was like, okay, I will forward test this. Let's see if it's going to work. And I'm going to trade evaluation. So I'm going to trade Tradeaway today. And I'm going to try to execute on TradingView. Not going to trade my funded accounts. I mean, maybe I'm going to trade funded accounts later today. But today I would like to forward test this to see how it works. Because backtest data was amazing. How it's going to be in real time, who actually knows? We will see. So today we're going to trade Tradeaway. I connected my account right here. MNQ. Yeah, forward absolutely. It's amazing to build psychology. That's why I decided to not even to backtest this, to create backtest session. We can forward test this, right? Let's see. Yes, and then keep trying to respect 2 minute BPR. So far, we have equal highs, higher. Let's see. Oh, nothing is going on right now. Only like 10:02. Pretty much trying to trade near 10 a.m. open so far. I would call this accumulation. Let's see where we can manipulate. Just be patient right now. You know what ideally I would like to see? Ideally. I'm not going to say it's going to happen, but ideally. That's in perfect world. This for rolling up. Why? Because discounts there. And if may go somewhere right here, maybe like slightly higher, not necessary, but preferably, and something like this. It doesn't sound bad and it doesn't look bad. So let's see. Just would like to see hourly manipulation down probably. I mean, yeah, we already traded a bit below 10 a.m. open, but slightly lower. We'll appreciate to see this. Height from candles. Also, we have this kind of indicator. Exactly same height of frame candles, but inside lower frame candles. So basically, right now we got. Let me hide drawings for a second. We got open. Right now, trying to build manipulation. Then it will show if it's going to be red. This means we're building down close candle. If it's going to show green, this means we're trying to build up close candle. So it's up to you what you want to try to use. Height of frame candles probably is enough. We have Venom on 3-minute chart. You mean long from BPR? No, every single indicator right now that you can see on my screen is free. Okay, I got Alex. Yes, we need to have bias. I mean, yeah, nothing wrong with trading just without bias, but I'm not saying it's going to be like very like small win rate, not really, but it's going to be less win rate than with bias, preferable to have bias. So we're trying to respect BPR so far on 2-minute chart as well. So price doesn't want to close. We have equal highs higher. Yeah, I will check this. I started watching this, then I got distracted and completely forget about this model. I will do this, I promise. Come on. Oh. Yeah, I will check this out. Thank you. Absolutely don't mind to see longs. Just want to see slightly lower in discount. You know, like discount, long, brilliant, amazing. Let's see. 8:15 flat candle. Okay. As you can see, 10 a.m. open. Pretty much we're trading above, below, which I call accumulation. Yeah, come to discount. That's all we ask. Water bottle. It's right there. So don't worry about this. Just slightly lower. We're going to discount for our fair value gap. We love our fair value gap. Never say here we go, because every single time when I see someone says like here we go, it reverses. How it works, I have no idea, but never say this. I know how it works. Yes, failed to offer, by the way, structure to upside while you offer this. You're still trying to respect first presented fair value gap, as you can see, guys. We got the test. SMT. Not really SMT, but we got change in the state of delivery. We got some sort of sweep on 1 minute chart. It's okay, NQ. Don't shy. Don't be shy right here. Go right here, and then we can look for potential, probably long. It's okay. It's okay. You can take your time. No rush. We'll wait. We got breaker block. Let me check. 300. Oh yeah, that's interesting. By the way, I see we have manipulation 300. We have 50% of our fair value gap, right below 50 and 62%. Games. Who loves these games? Let me check equilibrium. You got at 337. I will check for you. Give me 1 second because I forgot to highlight this. Of course. Of course. What's the day today? Okay, I need to highlight 19. Oh yeah, you're right. Exactly same. Yeah, previous day, you're right about your level. Lines up with current dealing range. So yes. $327.50. Like 1 tick difference. Yes, all I need to see we going higher. There's so many games right now. Any normal days we could respect this breaker block and went right there, but $355, $327, close to each other. So at any point I would like to see lower. Just I really would like to look for a long from this range. We have OT there, at least discount. If not 62%, just slightly below 50%. Because seems like right now we did not take any liquidity levels. Just if I would like to try to long, probably it's going to be from nowhere. I can be wrong just from what I see, honestly. Not really like from nowhere because we entered hourly fair value gap, but still feels like tricky, right? Yeah, gold amazing. My analysis was on point. Could be nice if you could chase to hourly fair value gap to long this. Yes. I'm not signal service, but yes, I do take live trades if I see setup. So on gold, once again, slightly higher, maybe 32.94, which is 25% of weekly order block. Will be nice to see. So we're still inside not perfect 1 minute unicorn. Because why it's not perfect? Because it's part of consolidation, nothing more. Nothing more. Hello, Michael. Hello, Michael. We're good. We're good. Michael, can you please send the market lower to fair value gap? Okay, maybe not fair value gap. Like not asking for 50%. Maybe 50%. We don't mind. Like we don't really mind to see maybe something like this. We don't ask a lot, just to 50%. So yeah. Anyway, I'm bullish, and what ideally I want to see a move like this. But probably if it's going to offer market structure right here, it's just going to up without retracement back down to our fair value gap. Because right now we're inside hourly fair value gap already. So let's see if we get structure. I mean closure. I mean market structure. 312. I mean anything inside for fair value gap will be amazing. But let's be honest, right now it doesn't want to drop. Which makes us feel just can offer straight move up. And you know, guys, remember like last 3 weeks, every single time when we anticipate to get obvious retracement down to long, it never offers this. Instead, it just like offers minor retracement. By the way, above 50% of current dealing range, just goes straight up. At least inside our fair value gap. Let's see if we get structure for smart money reversal to anticipate market maker buy model. Because right now we don't have structure as well, so yeah. You will not fall port even. It's okay. Oh, you're right. Completely balanced like down on 5-minute chart. That's crazy. Anyway. Where did you learn ICT Concept? On ICT YouTube channel. I realize, guys, we're asking too much for the discount. Forget about this in 2025. Still stuck at 10 a.m. open, so the question is, we're really trying to accumulate right now, like accumulation, hourly accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I mean, I'm bullish. I don't really mind to see higher. The question is, why it takes so much time? What happens in the opening range? Unfortunately, so. So, yes, exactly same idea. Let's see if we get market structure. building liquidity to the upside. Totally possible. Yeah, I remember your message about 487. Absolutely not going to argue about this because I don't really mind to see higher as well. Low resistance. Is this low resistance? Oops. Struggling. Doesn't want to offer structure to upside. I mean, kind of slow. Doesn't want to retrace lower. I mean, one more sweep. High from PD ray. 50% of digging range. My plans no longer realistic. Yeah, totally possible. Anyway, I'm not going to blindly press buy button right now because we don't have market structure shift as well to try to long. My patience hates these days, this kind of days. It grieves you. When we have consolidation, once again, consolidation is tradable. Seek and destroy also tradable, just not for everyone, I guess. And if you don't know how to trade consolidation or seek and destroy, your task is to survive in these market conditions. If you took a loss, it's okay. You don't need to take trade again to recover this loss. Wait for expansion or break below consolidation. Wait. Maybe 1 hour break, then come back to your screen and try to trade again. But never try to recover losses inside consolidation, thinking right now, maybe we're about to break this consolidation. But in reality, we are not. And one more loss. From personal experience. So right now about to get the market structure shift, which is amazing. Yes, about to break. We have equal highs, but I'm looking for higher, honestly. Let's see if ES can close. Let's see if NQ can close. That's also important. We did not close. I absolutely in love with this. Are you serious right now? Gold, 8 more points. 8, 10 more points, and I will be happy to see this. Beautiful. When market is bullish, like we have last 4 weeks, every single retracement we anticipate to get failed. I mean, if you just go on medium time frame or high time frame, you will see that retracement was less than 50%. Yeah, on gold, I need to see higher, 32, 94, 92, somewhere there. So mostly when we have strong trend, let's say we have uptrend, because right now we have uptrend on high time frame, every single retracement will be less than 50%. And right above this 50%, I would say between 30-50%, we have fair value gap. For example, right now we have hourly fair value gap that we're trying to respect on both yes and NQ, and this fair value gap is above 50%. always, absolutely always for me hard to trust this. And look where is next 2-minute candle closed. I really didn't want to trade PM session today, but seems like no choice. Well, seems like no choice, and okay, we'll accept this. Today is Tuesday, right? Okay. So once again, we did not have market structure shift to upside. We're sitting on our hands right now and waiting. Maybe it will go to discount for us. Yes, at 1 p.m. This is what I told, yesterday I was like, I see it's like, what time it was? Like 10:50 or 11. I was like, right now it doesn't want to offer anything. I set alarm 12:50, and I was like, I need to finish my workout at 12:50 to go home and try to find setup at 1 p.m. I was late, so I come back home maybe like, what time it was? I was late. Disappointed yesterday. I come back home when it was like, where's this drop from yesterday? So I entered right there yesterday, but I came home when it was like 1:30, maybe 1:40. I was okay. I entered right there. My stop loss was right here, but my initial entry must be right there at 2-minute order block. I wish I was at home. But at least I traded on funded accounts. No complaints about wins. So yeah, I created separate session for PM. Actually, I created session not for just PM, for every single like power of 3. So I'm testing right now 1 p.m., 3 p.m., 8 p.m. But also we'll test something before 10. I just don't trade before 10. I know like no reason to trade look for and backtest for trades before 10. But I can actually do this. Give me the time. But I need to backtest, guys. Guys, what time I need to backtest for AM session? Who trades pre-market? What time do you... I will do this for you. Like 7. Not going to test London, guys, because probably I will never wake up for London. But I can do 8. Okay, 8 a.m. Let's do 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. So we'll do this in one session. 7. 2 yeah, for 2 p.m. yes, I will do this. For PM, I already started. Just for pre-market, because I don't trade pre-market, you know. Well, a bit annoying, but from what I see so far, we got sweep. Where is my... We got sweep. Come on, we got sweep, I said. We got sweep. I call this like double sweep on lower time frame. And to confirm this as potential like move higher, let's see if we get order block. I would say propulsion block. We got nothing. 7 a.m. Well, only because you asked me about 7 a.m. Yeah, see how we're trying to respect first presented for a value gap. At least one good news, it failed to offer market structure, which give us a hope to go to 50% at least. But I would say no solid buy in volume, as you said, because it's consolidation. So normally, when we have consolidation, volume is low, right? That's why we have consolidation. We will go to 50%. I hope so. Yes, also consolidating left this equal highs, which makes me feel like, okay, let's offer one more drop and reversal. That's it. 10:30, nothing happened since market open, guys. Just 9:30 is right here. See? Absolutely nothing happened. I mean, what happened? We took London low, but it was right at market open, and it was like 20 points drop, and that's it. Brilliant consolidation. But once again, since it's consolidation, means we can get expansion right after this. It's going to be 11, probably. PM, yeah, PM maybe distribution. Maybe lunch will start this. Maybe. Like, not really AM session, but I believe lunch can start this. Do you ever trade? Not really. So I prefer to take a break because if I'm going to just be in front of screen all day, probably I will blow my account. Yes, I said I don't want to see maybe something like this. Maybe slightly lower, but then like this. That was original plan. How it goes, who actually knows? 2-minute inversion, 2-minute order block. Starter plus and starter. I believe the difference daily drawdown. I'm with expert. So, guys, what's the difference between starter plus and start? I believe daily drawdown, right, on my funded futures. I can check for you if you want. Oh, starter plus doesn't have consistency rule, right? No, I'm watching right now on expert. So I believe daily drawdown. You can actually compare this on their website. Because personally, I like expert, so cannot recommend. I mean, lots of people enjoy starter plus. Just cannot say for sure why. Yeah, starter plus doesn't have consistency rule while starter has this. So once again, it's up to you. Amazing perform, especially with deal. By the way, did you see they offered the deal like you buy evaluation and get free the set? Good deal. It's a thank you. We'll wait. No rush. Just saying, like maybe 50%. Just I'm not moving in queue because you don't have magnets there. Oh my god. Oh, look at this purple color. Absolutely amazing color, right? Oh, you're long. Where's your entry? Oh no. That's why I don't like to trade consolidation because every single long stop that seems good, almost every single time invalidated. Because seems like we're trying to long in premium, trying to short in discount. Ugh. Hate it. See, like you long at 412, which was deep premium. I hate it, honestly. I already said many times, most of my losing trades inside consolidation. It happens most of the time. Yeah, I wish you the best. So I hope it's going to go on your target. I can remove magnet if you want. Maybe it will go to in your favor immediately. I will remove this for you. So market maker cannot see my magnet. Everything for you. But guys, let's talk about this consolidation. Why it happens? Who knows? I mean, last 3 weeks at least, this happens every morning. Why? I mean, I know we don't have news, but why is this happening? I just trying to understand. Three p.m. Ask ICT. I mean, I agree with indecision comment. Probably that's why. Just crazy. Sounds like huge accumulation. You know what I feel? Not going to lie. Just if it's going to drop, I don't know. But if they prepare like huge drop, it's going to be extremely unexpected. No one is going to expect this drop. It's going to happen during the night, and it's going to be huge. And IM session will be just continuation. This is what I anticipate to get if it continue accumulating for the next couple of months. But I believe it's going to be an unexpected move. We just had something like this. It was in November, I believe so. Just guys, don't blow your account, please. Be smart. If you see like solid setup but it's consolidation, no one is going to kill you if you're going to trade 1 micro, 2 micros with this. Yeah, every single time when we have 10 a.m. consolidation, 11 is expansion, so. And our task is to survive on this. Hello. Yes, exactly. Gonna drop huge when everyone expect to get like huge move up. Most likely this will happen. But I felt like so relaxed yesterday. I was like, I missed perfect trade in AM session, but I was like, it wasn't just for me. Previous week I was higher, and it was choppy. I will rather to go away and just come back to PM session after a small break, and this is what I do. What I did, I just went to gym, then like slowly went home, opened my computer. I was like, here's the tab. Let's try this. Because when feel like it's time to try this means I'm confident. When I feel like maybe it will go somewhere, nope, not for me. So we're about to get the closure. We're waiting for this closure. Oops, I'm sorry, guys. Market makers found the buy button finally. We got market structure shift on both US and Q. We got SMT. We got SMT with confirmed water block. On gold, we already did analysis, so we were bullish. Would like to see 25%. So 32.94. So we got market structure shift to upside. Right now it feels extremely bullish. Not extremely, just bullish a shift. We have untapped fair value gap, 15-minute fair value gap higher. So right now I'm going to highlight some fair value gaps. $10.28. I would count order block at 10.06. Such a clean color. Let me. Okay, equal highs taken, at least one good news. Another equal highs lines up with pre-market high. Highlighted fair value gap on 2-minute chart. So right here it's a 1-hour chart. You know what is going to be funny if it was like consolidation for almost 2 hours, and then like quick expansion and consolidation for the, like, I know, like for until 11, 12. Yeah, I mean, doesn't really matter. No fair value gaps on 5-minute chart. We have seems like low resistance because completely balanced leg right here, so no any fair value gaps. Lots of immediate rebalances. Completely balanced part right here. May actually go to this order block, but over like low resistance seems like to upside. Still feels choppy, by the way, because from what I see so far, what happened, we chase back to the range. Market structure shift was offered with displacement. We got the closure with huge displacement, with no retracement yet. We got 2-minute fair value gap. Macro, yeah, like 7 minutes left. Let's see. Still struggling for retracement, at least to this fair value gap. And if I get like solid long setup today, I will look for pre-market high and I will look for 15-minute fair value gap. So these two levels. At least about to get order block on 15-minute chart on both yes and Q, which is good for structure shift. And on hourly, we can get order block in 15 minutes, I hope so. Let's see if we get order block on 1 hour chart. We will distribute higher above pre-market high because it's going to be daily distribution level. Something like this. Yeah, pre-market high, which was at 6 p.m. I believe it was, seems like equal highs as well. So not really, so it depends. If it wants to go like all the way up to my targets that I want to see from this fair value gap, then probably I will expect a tracing. But if it's not going to go to my target for until PM session, probably I will look for long, another long. Rules for the day when Trump speaks: surviving consolidation. So hello guys. Trump speaks. Someone said at 3 p.m. today. Cannot say for sure if it's true or not. Just need to check on Forex Factory, I believe. Oh yeah, it was updated. Yeah, today at 3 p.m. I didn't see this on Sunday, by the way. It was updated. That's it. We did trace back to the range and price started consolidating again. Gold. I don't mind to see gold higher, another 12 points higher. I would like to see 32.94.40. But like, let's run this number. 32.94. That's it. On gold. It's gold. On CL, not sure, honestly, but I want to see. A bit choppy. We did chase to daily fair value gap. Price offer its sweep. Not entirely sure about CL. We got 1 hour order block. Choppy, so on CL, kind of tricky. Difficult to hear me. That's strange. That's strange. It's up to you. So, like, some people love to trade in Q, some people love to trade gold, some people love to trade both. So, yeah. Anyway, 5 more minutes. If nothing, it's going to be 10:50 macro. If nothing, I will just try to trade PM session as I did yesterday. Based on my performance, PM session was amazing for me last 2 months. Cannot say same for AM session. So yeah, okay. My plan this morning was like clearly my plan was we're going not from here, we're going down to 4 hour fair value gap, maybe slightly lower somewhere right here. Then I will look for long, so 15-minute untapped fair value gap. So 520 was my target. 21 520. It was my final target based on my pre-market plan. But ideally, I want to see once again for a fair value gap long to 15-minute fair value gap. From backtest, yeah, of course. Not this one. Give me 1 second. Here we are. So yesterday I started a new session, which was May. Like it was from May 1st to May 17th. So it wasn't perfect, I would say. So I traded with micros. So as you can see, my back test. Remember we took a loss last Monday based on this stop. Even in back test, I took same loss. So it could happen anyway. So my performance from May 1st to May 16 is right here. So my win rate for only the May, this May, is 55%, 54.55. Perfect factor for R, 4, and my risk reward 3R. 3.5 micros, not more. Right here it was, yeah, it was 1 mini right here because risk was okay. But when risk was more than $1,000, I took with 2-3 micros. So for example, as you can see losses right there, it was taken with micros because risk with 1 mini was huge. So that's only for May. But still, I consider this as good performance, honestly. Good risk reward, good return. Also would like to add win from yesterday because I took a win, and today, like, imagine I took a win right here. I shorted yesterday, it was win for 50 points. And today, I don't know, nothing today yet. But once again, here's setups that I would talk, and as you can see, it could be a loss right there, loss right there, loss right there. Monday, Tuesday could be losses, but wins right there. So no complaints, right? So it's okay. Just could be better. No. Some setups were for PM session. So I would call this, it's not only like 10 a.m. hourly power of 3, but also 1 p.m. for PM session, 1 p.m. hourly power of 3. So for example, yesterday I'm going to add win right there based on 1 p.m. power of 3. I believe Thursday was 1 p.m. power of 3, and Friday was 10:50 setup, so it was 10 p.m., 10 a.m. power of 3. But yesterday and last Thursday it was 1 p.m. trade. So I would consider this as good performance anyway. Yeah, we got some losses, maybe not perfect win rate for May, but still good. Oh, I do use this indicator still. I cannot backtest with this. So this is what we have. That's it. I hope it was helpful. Anyway, I will record the video, will show my backtest data, will show everything that I got. Not going to sell something, and keep moving. Yeah, we chased a 2-minute fair value gap, at least something happened. Yes, I will create, video on YouTube. It's going to be free. You can backtest this. Some people tested this on Ninja Trader. Not only one. I got four messages already for the last 2 days. And they show me the results based on Ninja Trader indicators. They create indicators, so I don't know what kind of indicator it is. But the win rate was more than 65%. So manually I got 70%. Ninja Trader bot got 67, 65, 67. Which is, it's okay. Which means bot doesn't want to it will not consider like market conditions, but I do consider market conditions, but results close to each other. I don't have this indicator yet. So if someone, once I post the video on YouTube, someone can create actually indicator on TradingView. We will love this. Who can code this? Yeah, I mean, no indicator needed, exactly. But good for to have indicator because we can set alerts, right? Yeah, you're welcome. 10:56. Except this high so far, retraces 2-minute fair value gap. We got highs, buy side liquidity slightly higher. Let's see if we close below this level. Over here, it's going to be bearish sign. At least one bearish sign. At least one good bearish sign. So painful to get perfect long on gold and be stopped out at break even. I feel sorry for you. I'm so sorry. Because the top was great, right? Let's see if we close. Hello. Just, I'm not going to long this because, in my humble opinion, we have level lower. And I'm so tired to say this. Probably I'm already annoyed with this. But it seems like this for a while gap must be tested. We don't ask a lot, so right? We chased the first presented fair value gap. Still inside 2-minute fair, but we got change in the state of delivery after SIP. That's bearish sign, I guess so. Let's see. Can we drop too far for a value gap? Just asking. Really, if I want to consider short, I would consider based on inversion with order block. I know, like maybe something like this. With inversion of this 2-minute fair value gap, big 2-minute fair value gap. Like we inversing this fair value gap. Then go something like this. Yeah, I mean 1 minute chart, nothing wrong with 1 minute chart. I'm just trying to be more realistic. Don't want to trust 1 minute chart. Let's see if we invert this. I do want to see long somewhere from here. Maybe long for PM session. Maybe. What do you think about this? Seems like it's trying to build lots of failure swings, like low resistance. I mean, it does make sense in terms of manipulation to distribute higher later. What do you think about this, guys? Yesterday first present fair value. It's still part, it's still part of our fair value gap, just slightly below this level. Honestly, don't know. At least we got 2-minute inversion. Look at this VIX right there. I'm not in yet. I'm going to connect accounts. Give me 1 second. Yep. Because for this kind of trade, I need to trade funded accounts. Let me connect them. So we got 2-minute BPR. Yeah, we got 2-minute inversion. But we got more from 2-minute inversion to 2-minute inversion, so tricky. I like how ES dropping right now. At this point, makes sense to trade in Q. Yeah, agree with you. If we drop during AM session to pump during PM session, it's going to be textbook day. If it's not going to happen, then I don't know. Let's see. We just retraced to 2-minute fair value gap. We got 2-minute inversion. We also have 2-minute order block. I really do like this idea, honestly. Simply for manipulation down to long. Not entirely sure about long from where I would like to long, but I'm just not sure from what level I would like to long. Maybe somewhere from here. Because it may offer manipulation to distribute. On 15-minute chart, on 1 hour chart, we don't have order block yet to upside, bullish order block yet. We just retrace to the range, and that's it. I mean, nothing's going on. Now, like, on 4 chart, we're still inside for our bullish fair value gap. That's That's annoying and tricky. I'm sorry, guys. 30-minute sweep on both sides. $3-minute order block. I know, like, why it feels so strange. We got SMT at lows, but I really would like to see slightly lower to go higher later. You know, preferably like this. Maybe I'm asking too much. Yeah, this SMT only stops me right now to play a sell button. But I do want to do this. So at SMT, I know, like. No, I'm not in trade. I'm just trying to understand if I want to trade this. Because I like everything here, but not this SMT. You know, any normal days I could short already. Just since it's consolidation, I don't know what I need to trust, honestly. I will trade PM 100%. Okay, not 100%, because I don't know what is going to be at 1 p.m. But I will give it a try. We'll try to find the time to trade PM session. I know, like, ES feels more bullish than NQ, like, overall. Not 9:30, but 11:30. I active with you, by the way. This SMT. This is what stops me right now from this short. This SMT. It's already too late in the session. How deep did you trace? Let me see. Still inside OT, by the way. We don't have any bullish order blocks yet. Inside OT right now we have SMT at lows. Press the trace to 2-minute bullish order block. Let's see. It's so choppy right now, so any normal days it's already dropped. Honestly. Yeah, first percent fair value gap seems interesting because we expect this level every single day, but right now we expect this every single 5 minutes. Like, we closed above, what I should do with this information. We closed below, what should I do with this information? So overall, I'm bullish for the day, and I do like to see potential long from fair value gap to 15-minute fair value gap. But it's choppy right now. May just go higher without the chasing to fair value gap. which is also possible. Why I would like to see for a fair value gap? Because discounts there, as you can see, 50%. It's not only equilibrium of previous day range, but also equilibrium of current didn't range. So that's why I want to see liquidation 50%, maybe slightly lower. Then look for potential reversal. In reality, if you see long, I mean, of course, enter. I'm not in short right now. Need to do something with first presented right now. Close above, validate this SMT, and only at this point I will agree with potential long opportunity. But only concern right now, if it wants to drop, it's already had to drop with displacement. In reality, we're consolidating. This means we consolidated from 9:30 until 10:40. Then we got 1 minute displacement higher expansion, retracement, consolidation again. Absolutely in love with this. Yeah, I will try to come back about 1 p.m. 100%, 99% to trade. But right now I will sit 5 more minutes and be done probably for the day. Not for the day, for AM session. Because not worth it. By the way, also inside OT right now of this small range. Still trying to hold this SMT. No displacement, at least we got the closure above first presented fair value gap. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, we have buy side right there. We have OT. Not this tool. We have OT from here to here. Press trying to respect this OT. We don't have order block yet, but at least we may get inversion to validate SMT, I would say. I'm not in this trade because I'm not entirely sure if I need to short with this SMT. Because overall I am bullish. I would like to see long, just want to see long from 4 hour fair value gap to 15 minute bearish fair value gap. Just, I really would looking for more information to short if I want to short this. Because not really yet. We got the closure but first presented fair value gap. We got SMT. First fair value gap, British fair value gap is right there. So let's see if it wants to invert this. At this point, my retracement will be invalidated. We simply go to probably to my key level. Guys, your opinion about the market? Lower, higher? Let's try to trade chat model. We go higher. Press 1 if you go higher. Press 2 if you go lower. We'll trade opposite to the chat. Let's go. Okay, let's see. See? Lots of 3 for some reason. 3 means I don't know, right? Don't care. I don't see lots of 1s, by the way. This means if lots of people want to short, should we long? What should we do with this information? Yeah, lots of people trying to tell us we need to short this setup. I see maybe like 5% of 1s only. Goodness grass. Lots of people said we need to short. This means we need to long. Anyway, it's 11:15. I will trade PM session. Not going to touch lunch. We'll try to trade 1 PM after 1 PM and silver bullet, PM silver bullet. Based on my pre-market, I want to see something like this. Not saying like we cannot go just straight move up to 15-minute fair value gap. Absolutely possible. So at this point, it will support this SMT with inversion, and we simply go to target right here. So I'm not going to try to trade something right now. Guys, I will see you on tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. PM. I'm not sure if I'm going to steam PM. Not sure yet. Not sure. Don't make stupid mistakes right now. But PM, normally after consolidation, is amazing. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow morning. Hope to get something like better than consolidation for 1 hour, 2 hours. Okay, guys, have a perfect the rest of the day. Bye, guys.